The weather is incredible. And so are you guys. Oh my god. We're super excited for tonight. Thank you all for coming. We're gonna have a fun night today. We have a whole new set list right for yeah, the last time, so it's gonna be exciting.
Are you guys ready?
Okay. Shall we go? Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. This is ice cream.